Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you how to copy this interactive field to these two items. There's a couple of ways. One of them, take that item, go up to the attribute eyedropper and take a sample of it and pour it in there. That's pretty cool. The other way to do it is to select your item you want to put it into, go up to Edit, Copy Properties From, and it's going to give you all these options. I want the pen tool, I want the outline color, and I want the fill. And then you're going to get this little arrow and you click on what you want to copy. The other way that I've really never done before is hold down the right mouse button and the shift key. So I'm going to hold down the shift key and hold down the right mouse button, and it's going to drag that copy over there. Now it just copies the fill when you're doing this. So let's back up here, and if you were going to take this and make the outline a half an inch big, if you would use your attribute eyedropper, take a sample of that and put it there, it copies the outline and the fill. And it's the same thing as going up to, if we select on that, and okay, we've got a red hairline. Let's make this outline yellow. So now I'm going to select this item, which has a red hairline and a thin compared to 36 point. I'm going to go Edit, Copy Properties From, everything, say OK, and then put it in there, and look what it did. It copied our outline. Now, I like that, but there's no, you have to go up to, well, there's one step, two step to get there. Why don't we make a hotkey for that? So let's go to Tools, Options, Customization, type under Commands and type in Copy Properties From, and go shortcut. It doesn't have one. So let's go, we can't go Control C, let's try Control P, which would be Properties. It's taken, that's a print. So let's go Alternate P, and that's Page. So you could just, pick a Z is zoom. I'm just trying to think of something. I'm trying to make it more simple. Let's go K. You just have to remember that and assign it. So now we're going to draw a square up here, and we're going to go K, and everything will be checked, and then okay, and we want it from there. So you can make a shortcut. I wouldn't name it K, but if you could figure out something else, if you're going to use that anyway, I think that's pretty cool. I truly like, going here and using the attribute eyedropper, because you can get a sample and a fill. And if you wanted the total thing, everything, go attribute eyedropper. Have this, well, you don't have to have it picked on this case. Attribute eyedropper. Take a sample of that and put it there, and look, it did both. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.